Mainit-init na chismis, Marites. Halos hindi makaya ang balitang nalaman tungkol sa Don Bell. Against siya siguro sa tandem ni na Donnie Pangilinan Belmariano. Tinanong kasi niya kung kumusta ang dalawa. Ito, nananatili pa rin in love. Sagot ni Master. Dagdag pa niya, I'll stay with her for all time. Diba? Love is a promise. It's a commitment to stay, no matter how tough it gets. At diba, sabi pa nila kung talagang mahal mo, pakawalan mo. But for me, if you truly love someone, then stay. Maraming tao ang sumusuko sa pinakamasimple nga problema. Kaunting pagsubok lang ang gusto na agad bumitaw, and that's where most people go wrong. What if all you really need is to be there for each other? Kapag nagmahal ka, hindi maiiwasang masaktan, hindi ba? The real question is, how much are you willing to endure? Bibitaw ka ba o hahawakan mo pa rin? Because love is a promise. It's a commitment to stay no matter how tough it gets. Because in the end, love is not about finding someone you can live with. It's about finding someone you can't live without. Kaya kung tunay mong mahal ang isang tao, manatili ka. Ipaglaban mo ang pag-ibig na iyon dahil ang tunay na pagmamahal ay hindi sumusuko. To love is to stay.